Hey Matt, here's how you'll edit your site. You'll go to the link I gave you, /wp-admin, and you'll log in with your credentials. Mine will automatically log me in, but yours you'll have to enter. And then you'll come to a page that looks like this. You can ignore pretty much everything on here. What you'll want to focus on is the pages. So you'll hover over pages and click on either add new or all pages. You really won't need to add any new ones. And if you do, I suggest doing it a different way. But you'll go all pages. And let's say you want to edit the music page. So you'll hit edit. And you'll scroll down and you'll see everything is in a drag and drop editor. So right here, if you need to edit this paragraph of text, you hover over it and click on this pencil. When you click on the pencil, it will take you to something that looks like this, which is probably what you're familiar with the WordPress editor. Then when you're finished editing, you'll hit save and of course update to update, and there will be an update button down here, and there will also be one up here. Down here is where we have the people. So if you ever want to edit a person, know that all of their content is in these things called modals. So in order to edit the modal, you'll do the same thing where you'll hover over it, you'll click the pencil, you'll see the name of the modal. This should always just be the first name of the person. This should be the title that people will see. And then you can enter in all of the information down here. Again, save or cancel if you want to delete changes, and update. So if you want to add a new person, what I would recommend doing is hitting this duplicate button right here. This little clone column is what you'll want to do. Make sure that you don't hit duplicate on just this. This will clone the element. You want to make sure you're hitting clone column. So when you do that, it will start a new column that looks like this. You can change the picture of the person right here and change the name, add the little description right here, the title and all that. Save and close as always. And then this is the important part. So you'll enter the information into the modal and remember whatever you put here. I would use the person's first name unless the person's first name tends to be common, like if there are two Johns, maybe do John S and John C or something like that. But for this sake, we would say Olga. So we would save and close. And then we have to scroll down to where it says read more. You'll hit the edit button on that. You'll scroll all the way down, and where it says modal window anchor is where you'll enter that information. So if it's John C or John V, you would type that in. If it's just Olga, you just type in Olga. Save and close. And if you ever want to delete a column or a person, you can just hit this little garbage can right there, which is what we'll do right now. If you ever want to preview, you just hit the preview button, and then when you're ready to save it, hit update. Right now I'm just going to leave the page because I don't want to make any of the changes I just made. And now I'll show you how to edit the upcoming events. So you'll go back to the pages and you'll hit upcoming events, edit. And it will load, and it'll again be in this drag and drop editor. So if you want to change this little paragraph, hit the edit, enter in information, save and close. These are the tabs. These are what you'll see in kind of that sideways layout. So if you want to enter in information on why Barcelona, you'll hit the pencil. You'll scroll all the way down and you'll enter it in right there. Hit save, and then hit save again to close out and save the whole thing. Or you'll continue and keep doing it. And then when you're finished, you'll hit save and update. when you're ready to add more information on people who will be attending, you can just enter it in right here. And again, you can use the delete button if you want to take people away. You can change the picture. You can change what's in the modal. And just remember to change the modal link here and here. Always hit update. And that's probably good. That's probably about all you need to know to do your site. If you have any questions, comments, concerns along the way, always feel free to reach out and I'm happy to help you with things. I hope that helps.